Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. If you're new here, welcome. Returning subscribers, welcome back to yet another Opoly haul. I feel like I've done about 4 of these recently, but Opoly's like my go-to. I feel like we're stuck inside. All you can really do at the moment is internet shop and make YouTube videos. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you guys. So I'm really excited about this. And I want to talk to you guys about this because this was so stressful. So Opoly did, is it a collaboration they did, or they just released their line? I'm not 100% sure with, I think you pronounce it Bo and T. Bo and T, yeah, I feel like that's what it is. And like, ignore the box. I feel like, again, the delivery driver like threw it across the yard. I don't even know. But yeah, ignore that. I wanted to show you guys the actual packaging because obviously it's different from Opoly. It comes in a different bag. They have the Bo and T stuff. And when I say I missed the first drop, shock. And like, despite the fact that I've done 4 or 5 videos, I actually haven't been online shopping that much. So I haven't been checking websites because I just don't want to spend endless money on things I don't need. And you'll see what happens when I do. I just buy loads of bikinis and stupid stuff I don't need. For the most part, I've literally not been up to date, and I put that down to me missing it. But basically, Bo and T is kind of loungewear, workout wear, which is definitely up my street. Obviously, I'm a wrestler. I'm in the gym all the time. I'm going to start doing workout videos. So I need fashionable workout clothes. And I was really gutted that I missed it because when I went on, obviously, you know, it says all sold out. That's the one thing I do like about Opoly is the website actually says before you'll click on the item if it's completely sold out, which other websites don't do. It saves you the disappointment because you just know straight away, okay, I'm not getting anything. So yeah, basically everything was sold out. I missed it, whatever, I'll just like get over it. But I was a bit disappointed because like I said, I just felt like it was right on my street and I was like, damn. But they did a restock, so I'm like, yes, I'm a VIP babe. So like, I'm there ready to get the notification for the restock. And basically, I didn't really get one. And then I saw on Twitter that it was out and I was like, and I went on and I tried to look, but I literally couldn't get anything. I couldn't get my size in a matching piece because you buy the top and the shorts separately. I think I went through and I put a few things in my basket and tried to get a few sets. As I was putting it in my basket, I guess, because so many people were on the website, things were selling out, it wouldn't let me check out. It was just a complete mess. And I was like, oh no. But I did manage to get 2 things, which are a little bit different from what I normally go for. But I saw them and I was like, I absolutely want these. I don't know why, but I really, really want them. They're so different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. But yeah, I will say, let me know down below if you got anything because I missed it the first time and then the second time I was late. I think the website was just completely overcrowded and couldn't handle the fact that we all wanted stuff. And then this is the Bo and T card, just so you guys kind of know what the other stuff looked like. It comes in a regular Opoly box. Mine's like, obviously someone's just like taking a boot to it or something. I don't know what they've done. But let me show you. It's in the Bo and T tissue. Oh, I like how it's wrapped. And so these are the 2 things that I got. Can we just take a moment for the color scheme? This is literally my dream. I love pastel colors. If you see my wrestling gear, you know I love pastel colors. So can I just say how chuffed I am that it's actually a structured top, because I saw these and I was like, I'm never going to be able to pull that off because if it's not fitted properly, it's got no structure to it, I'm just going to look like a lump. But luckily it's actually got like a structured top. I'll show you guys the inside. So it's got like a bit of padding, which is really nice. It's got an adjustable strap on it, so you could tighten it or loosen it if it's too small for you. It's super structured, and then the actual waist is super elasticated, which is really cool, so it's going to pinch you in. They would look really cool with chunky trainers and a little jump around your waist. I really, really want them, but I'm just not sure if they're going to look good on me. But the fact that they've got a structured top, an adjustable top, an elasticated waist, and the bottom nice and secure, that makes me feel good, and I feel like I'm really going to like these. And then this is the blue one for you guys. I feel like they did it in yellow as well, but I wasn't gonna go for yellow because look at my hair, like this is a mistake. But yeah, again, just like super structured. They're pretty much exactly the same, but just different colors. But yeah, and then this is the back as well, which is cool. So that is what I managed to get from the Bo and T. Obviously, I haven't tried it on yet, so I can't give you guys a full review in that aspect, but I just want to say I'm really happy with how it's made. It looks really well made. It looks very structured, very fitting. So I'm glad about that because I was really unsure, and it's not even like, oh, it's just a workout top and shorts. It's a full romper, and like a romper is a bold statement. A skin tight romper is probably the boldest statement you could make. So I'm really happy that it seems to be well made and it seems to be quite a flattering shape about it. So I'm happy about that. Let me know down below if you managed to get anything. I was gutted because I really couldn't get my hands on much, and I was just like, oh, I really wanted a few different bits and pieces, but I just couldn't get my hands on them. But let me know down below what you guys think, if you got anything from Bo and T stuff. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this.